Imagine your entire historical timeline is a managed simulation, and the manual for that deception has been sitting on bookstore shelves since 1988. Most readers view Umberto Eco's Foucault's Pendulum as a satire of conspiracy theories. However, a declassified Level 5 dossier identifies the novel as an active suppression manual designed to neutralize any discovery of the truth. Eco's very name appears in restricted Jesuit files in the Vatican secret archives as the acronym Ex Caelis Oblatus, a gift from the heavens. This marker signals his status as an elite gatekeeper groomed to manage the intellectual fallout of the 20th century. He utilized a strategy called mimetic inoculation. This involves leaking a dangerous truth wrapped in a layer of ridiculous fiction. By exposing the public to a weakened version of the reality, the elite build a cognitive defense in the population, causing them to mock genuine whistleblowers as characters from a novel. Eco's book provides a literal map of our global prison, hiding the 3 physical pillars of our containment in plain sight. The novel's fictional telluric grid identifies the real-world etheric energy network of the Tartarian Empire, a global, technologically advanced civilization dismantled in the 19th century. The Eiffel Tower functions as a metallic conductive antenna, a surviving atmospheric harvester from the pre-reset era. Atmospheric harvesters are structures designed to extract ambient electricity directly from the ether. This global network links the Eiffel Tower directly to the Great Pyramid and finally to Stonehenge. These are functional nodes in a worldwide energy infrastructure, not isolated tombs or ruins. The Foucault pendulum serves as a scalar wave tuner, a geomantic instrument used to calibrate this global grid. Scalar waves are non-electromagnetic longitudinal waves that propagate through the vacuum of space, carrying information and energy across distances without loss. The fuel for this grid is blue radium, a zero-point energy condensate. Zero-point energy is the baseline power present in the vacuum of the universe, providing a potentially infinite, free source of electricity. The ruling order rebranded this life-giving fuel as deadly toxic waste. This grand radium deception forced humanity into an entropic model, defined by nuclear scarcity and fossil fuel dependence. Digital control grids eventually replaced stone machines. In the novel, the characters use a Jesuit computer named Abulafia to generate their fake historical timelines. This accurately predicts the function of modern large language models, AI systems trained to predict and generate text by identifying patterns in massive datasets. Eco was outlining the mechanics of algorithmic governance decades before its public release. The historical Great Reset utilized these algorithms to shuffle the fragments of the Tartarian Empire. This process invented entire periods like the Dark Ages to overwrite the true chronological record. These AI systems actively generate a synthesized reality to replace organic human history. The character Aglie embodies the synarchy, the secret government managing this global matrix. Eco points to Agartha, a subterranean kingdom where elite bloodlines retreated during the violent 19th century cataclysm. These masters now manage the surface from highly advanced subterranean bunkers. The novel's violent climax, the hanging of Belbo from the pendulum, records an occult binding ritual. Disrupting the pendulum swing with a human sacrifice violently disrupts the harmonic resonance of the earth itself. This action purposefully scrambles the etheric grid, preventing the return of free energy. Eco ends the novel with a psychological trap. After revealing the global conspiracy, he dismisses it as a misunderstanding over a laundry list. This encourages the reader to retreat into passive personal memories, rather than facing the reality of the grid. The stone machines remain sitting in our cities, waiting to be reactivated. The pendulum is still swinging.